Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund and Money Mile present your goals, dreams and plans.
What is the step, by step guide, if I may say so, for making a plan and linking it to your goal?
We as a planner, if you were to ask me, decide your goals. That's the first step. Second is make your cash flow. Whether you call it cash flow or spending budget or spending list or whatever, you ought to know where is money coming in, where is money going out, because then you would know how much you can allocate for what. After that is done, then we look at emergency planning, because while you are on your journey to create wealth for your financial goals, there could be turbulences. There could be job loss. Now this job loss could be due to health reasons, economic conditions, natural disasters, bomb, terrorist attack, etc. So you want to ensure that you have certain reserves. Then health and life insurance. These are the basic steps, because in case there are turbulences, you don't end up disturbing your journey of wealth creation, or you do it to a least possible, the impact is minimal. Now once these things are done, then linking and start investing. So it's goals, cash flow, contingency, insurance, health and life, a proper strategy for loans. You may want to continue, you may not want to continue, you want to look at the interest rates and the returns, and then start investing. But your every investment should be linked to your goals. So the word or the acronym SIP, the book that you mentioned, but the word, I have tweaked that. So I said SIP is your specific investment plan. You do it sincerely. So sincere investment plan, it will go on to become superb investment plan.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.